Now, if you're interested, we can use the distance formula and what has been claimed to give us the x and y coordinates of the midpoint to prove that we'll get the same distance from either side, whatever our points were. So in this first calculation, I'm working with the distance from M to point 1. And what I'm going to do here is distribute the subtraction here and here to both of those terms, get a common denominator of 2, so that I'll have a 2x1 over 2 here, a 2y1 over 2 right here, and put inside of both things being squared there, I'm going to put them all into a single fraction. So here's what we have where the x coordinates are and what we have where the y coordinates are over here. We can subtract like terms, 2x1 minus 1x1, and similarly over here with the y coordinates. So this is what we would have. And in fact, that would be enough right there. However, I did start to square things out, square the 2 in the denominator and square the binomials in the numerator each. Turns out we don't even have to go that far, because now if we take a look at the distance between point 2 and M, then do the same thing with getting a common denominator, 2x2 over 2, 2y2 over 2 over here. We don't have to worry about any distributing this time, and put them into a single fraction. Combine the like terms with the x2s and the y2s, and we've got exactly the same thing right here as we did here before I started to apply the squaring. So our distance from the midpoint to point 1 is the same as the distance from point 2 to the midpoint. And that would be the same as midpoint to point 2. If I'd reverse the order of subtraction, after squaring, remember something like -1 squared is equal to 1 squared. They're both equal to 1. And so regardless of the points you have, this is going to always work. This will give us, in the Cartesian plane, if you take the average of the x's to get the x coordinate of the midpoint and the average of the y coordinates for the endpoints, make that the y coordinate of the midpoint, it works. That's all for now. I hope these have helped. If they have, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends that are also studying some similar mathematics where you think they might need some help. I'll see you next time.